Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are just chilling. I want to do my makeup, just chit chat, catch up with you guys on life, what's been up with me, what's new, and just play with makeup. That'll be a nice relaxing kind of video, especially with everything going on. You know, I don't think anyone is in the mood to listen to someone teaching them something, so thought this would be a cool video to do. I washed my hair this morning. I put it up in a little puff. This is my natural hair. Okay, so I want to do a hair video. Now mind you, okay, I do know how to do my natural hair. I'm not a hair guru, so I don't label me as a hair guru, because I'm not. But I do want to show you guys like my hair wash routine, whatever. If you guys are interested in a video like that, comment down below, like this video, let me know, because I'll definitely be down to showing you guys what I use to take care of my natural hair. I did also order some new products, the Miel hair products, if that's how you say it. So I kind of wanted to do a review on that and see how I liked it, but let me know about that, just a thought. But anyways, sorry, rambled off. But yeah, so I just want to do my makeup, chit chat, whatever. I have a new candle burning back there. It's a little pink thing. It's super cute. It is the strawberry pound cake. You guys, oh my god, it smells so good, so freaking good. Normally I'm not like a super duper sweet kind of girl. Like, I like my more muskier scents, but this just smells like, it just smells so good. So if you are a candle lover, try out that strawberry pound cake from Bath & Body Works, because it's pretty dope. So yeah, but as you can see, I've already done my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and start priming. I'm gonna use my Tatcha Silk Primer. Looks like this. I got the little mini size because first of all, the big one is like $55, and who's gonna pay that? Not me. And it's like a balm kind of thing, so you really don't need that much. So this little travel size one is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. As you can see, so oily. Ooh. I did run around and do some errands today, so that may be why my skin is so oily. I've just been chilling. I do have a couple exciting things coming up. One, my birthday is coming up, so I'm so excited. I'm turning 21. It's been a long time coming, baby, okay? Not that I'm going to be able to do anything, but I think my friends are throwing me like a little party get-together-ish kind of thing. I'm not sure. Now look, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I'm a goody two-shoes, but I've done everything there needs to be done. 21 isn't even an age that's just like, oh my god, I'm gonna get to do that. No, been there, done that. I'm actually kind of over it, which is funny because finally I'm at an age where I can do everything, but then I'm just like but yeah, I'm super excited about that. It's on the 15th, so it's about a week away. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video, probably this weekend. So my birthday is about a week away. And you guys, something that is very big. So you guys know that I graduated. If you don't know, now you know. I did graduate from getting my business management degree, and actually, so I've decided to go back to school. It's only gonna be for a year, and I'm actually starting on my birthday on the 15th, which is crazy. I have orientation next week, but I'm going to go to school and become a licensed esthetician. So I'm super duper excited. I think it's gonna open up a lot of doors and opportunities for me. I think it's something that will benefit me very well, as well as a lot of people, because you know, makeup is great, but not everybody can, not just wear, but not everybody loves makeup as much as I do. But I do know everyone always wants to be confident in their skin and feel comfortable and just love the way they are without anything. But yeah, so I'm excited to do that. So that's really the new stuff that's been happening in my life. Let me stop talking and start doing my makeup. See, this is what happens in videos like this. I can't do my makeup and talk at the same time. It can be, oh sorry guys, this is my little mirror. It's a little dirty, but don't mind it. But yeah, so for foundation, actually I need to color correct first, so let me do that. I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match, L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer as usual to color correct. Sometimes I like to drag it up underneath my eyes just to take care of these dark circles, which they're not dark circles, just to brighten, color correct under my eye. Okay, and for foundation, I'm just gonna use my NARS All Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and my Fenty Beauty and mix those two together. I have been working out. I started working out again, which I'm so happy I did because it's giving me a lot of energy again. I'm waking up super duper early like I usually used to. I feel a lot more productive, so I'm happy I'm doing that. But besides running in the morning and stuff like that, like, I don't do anything unless like I run errands or go to my boyfriend's house. And speaking of my boyfriend, it was William's birthday literally 3 days ago. His birthday is on June 2nd. Today is the 5th that I'm filming this. But yeah, it was just his birthday. He turned 26. Grown man. But he really enjoyed himself. I didn't vlog anything because we didn't do much. It was very chill kind of birthday, and he's not really big on his birthday. He's not that kind of guy. Unless you plan something for him, he doesn't make a big deal. He doesn't make a big deal about a lot of stuff. I guess that's why we balance out with each other. But yeah, it was his birthday. He's a Gemini too, so we're a Gemini couple. So his birthday just passed. I am actually supposed to be filming a video with him. I've been begging him, and he said okay. So we're gonna film a video together. I'm not sure what kind of video it's going to be, but you will be seeing his face on this channel pretty soon. And you guys will get to know him and see the amazing man that he is, because he's truly one of a kind. And if he's watching this, I love you. Because he watches my videos. He better be watching my videos, shoot. And you guys, if you have multiple foundations that you love separately, mix them. I swear to God, it's the best thing you'll ever do. It'll just create like the perfect concoction for you. And for concealer, I'm going to take, what concealer do I want to use today? I'm going to use the L'Oreal concealer. This is in the shade Honey. I did pick up a lighter one to use underneath my eye. I'm just gonna put that under there. But what have you guys been up to? Have you guys still been quarantining? Is places opening up in the areas that you're at? Because here in Atlanta, it seems like life is back to normal. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think people people just threw Corona out the window, especially with the protests going on. I feel like no one is even talking about it anymore, even though it's something that's very important. But honestly, if you want to be real with you, this protest is a lot more important than this Corona in my opinion. But hey, to each his own. I'm taking my e.l.f. Sponge and blending that concealer out. I'm thinking of like video ideas of what I want to film, and I've been trying to like jot down ideas and stuff. I don't know if I want to film something for my birthday. I think I'm going to film a birthday makeup look, or maybe a get ready with me birthday edition, something like that. And I'm going to try to also vlog my little party or whatever. Or guys, I'm not throwing a party, by the way. Like, when I say party, you guys are probably like, but what about like, you know, you can't have, you know, it's not, I don't even know how many, I think it's less than like 12 people, 13 people. So it's not like I'm having a humongous party. And I'm not even the one planning it. It's my boyfriend and my best friend, so I actually have no idea what's going on. But yeah, I might vlog that. I want to, but we'll see how that goes. I don't like to put a lot of pressure on myself on vlogging, as well as I don't know if people want to be on camera, you know. And before I set my makeup, I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever and just powder underneath my eyes and everywhere that I set my concealer, or everywhere I put concealer. And And now I'm gonna use my Derma Blend powder in the shade Saffron and go ahead and set my face, or bake is a better word. And I'm just gonna take the same brush that I used before and wipe that all away. And then just to make sure everything is nice and blended, I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Soothe powder and just put that all over my face. Make sure everything's good. Just gonna go ahead and take my all-nighter spray and set my face. Blush, I'm gonna take my Bella blush from Juvia's Place, put a little bit of that on. Oh my god, I put too much. Ah, dang it. Oh my god, look at this. I put so much. It's okay. The more I blend it out, the better it looks. For the eyes, I want to play with the Dose of Color Sassy Sienna's little eyeshadow. I'm gonna just put some background music while I do my eyeshadow and just speed everything up. But yeah, so let me do my eyeshadow and then we'll come back and finish up the face. So I just did something very simple. Just put a little bit of shadow, just to line up my eye using my NYX liner in the shade Brown. I think that's what it's called, is it Brown? Yes, in Brown. And I'm just gonna take my Fetish Eyes, my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. This mascara is so good, guys. Y'all, this candle has my room smelling like all types of cake. And it's not even like cake, like it's just like sweet, but like, oh, it smells so good. It's like I want to eat my room. Oh, it's ridiculous, guys. This candle is so freaking good. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes. I'm just gonna put on the Beauty Creation lashes. You guys know I've been loving these. Ooh, look at the difference a lash makes. Ooh, I suddenly feel super cute. I swear lashes are like the best thing ever invented in life. I swear to God, they're the best thing ever. So we're pretty much done with the face. I don't know what lip I want to do. I do kind of want to do a red lip. Why, I don't know. But then again, I want to keep the nude tones. So, okay, I'm gonna take my BFF 3 lip liner. First, I'm gonna wipe my lips because there's a little foundation on there. And then, oh Lord, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Do I want to do a gloss? Do I want to do, you guys, this could go in so many different ways. Let me try out, I'm gonna try out this little Pat McGrath lipstick. This is like the little mini trio one. It came in like 3 nudes. The nude for this is Omi, I think that's what it's called. We're gonna try this out. Oh, this is pink. I do need to go in with a little BFF4. But besides that, we are done. This is the finished look. Wow, I'm just all over the place today. But yeah, this is the finished look. Something simple, I would say natural, because I didn't really do much on the eyeshadow. It's very simple, nude lip. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this chit chat, get ready with me, relax kind of video. I was just kind of going with the flow, but I did catch you up on a lot of things that have been going on. So I am gonna be filming some stuff this weekend and next week for the next couple of weeks. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, please let me know. Like I said, let me know if you guys want a hair video, because I'll be happy to do that as well. Try something new, you know, challenge myself a little bit. But yeah, so I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye.